English together.
Small talk.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thanks. How about you?
I'm good. My life is a little different now.
Oh? What happened?
I moved to a new apartment last month. It's my first time living alone.
Really? That's exciting.
Do you like it?
Yes, I do. It's small but very nice. I have a big window and a small balcony. I can see the park from there.
That sounds beautiful. Is it far from your work?
No, it's close. I can walk there in 10 minutes. Before, I took the bus every day for 30 minutes.
Wow, that's a big change. You save a lot of time now.
Yes, and I feel more relaxed.
What about you, Tom?
Any new things?
Yes, I started a new job last week.
Oh, congratulations. Where do you work now?
I work at a cafe near the train station. I make coffee and help customers.
That sounds nice. Do you like it?
Yes, I like it a lot. The people are very friendly, and I learn something new every day.
Great. What are your plans for the weekend?
I want to visit my parents. And you?
I'm going shopping for my apartment. I need a table and a lamp.
Good idea. Maybe we can meet for coffee after?
Sure, that would be nice.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this.